Cloud deployment models define where your cloud resources are hosted and who has access to them. Instead of focusing on what services you use, like IaaS or SaaS, deployment models are all about the environment your cloud runs in. The three main types are public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. In a public cloud, services are provided over the internet by companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google. Here, the infrastructure is shared among multiple users, but your data remains isolated and secure. This model is popular because it's cost effective, scalable, and easy to set up. For example, if you are hosting a website or building an app, public cloud is usually the fastest way to get started. In a private cloud, the infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization. It can be hosted on premises or managed by a cloud provider, but it's not shared with others. This gives more control, customization, and security, which is why industries like banking or healthcare often prefer it. However, it's more expensive and requires more maintenance compared to public cloud. Then comes the hybrid cloud, which is a combination of both public and private cloud. Organizations use private cloud for sensitive data and public cloud for less critical workloads. This setup provides flexibility. You can keep control where needed and still benefit from the scalability of the public cloud. For example, a company might store confidential customer data in a private cloud while running its website on a public cloud. There is also something called a community cloud, where multiple organizations with similar requirements share the same infrastructure, but it's less common compared to the other three.